Fat Tuesday, y'all. Hey, y'all. I don't even know if y'all can see me. Let's come on real quick. My son had a eye doctor's appointment today, and so while I was there, I was sitting in the waiting room with other people. Say hi, man. They really can't see you, but you can wave. Y'all know he don't talk much, but this channel is about me. But anyway, y'all. Excuse me. So while I was in there, had a little lady. She sat down. She said, "Ooh, thank God I didn't have to get that shot in my eye today." She said that thing is awful. She called it ugly or something like that. And sweet little lady. She sat down, and when she got up, I was looking, and she had on like a little smock shirt, and she had a sweatshirt up under, and she had on, it looked like the smock shirt was on the wrong side, or the tag wasn't right, and she had on a dress, a skirt, and I don't know how she had it hooked up, but I just, if you have an older parent or a sibling or something, and they get ready to go to the doctor, and you know they don't really know how to kind of really dress themselves, please go and check on them and make sure they go out looking presentable. And it was okay. She didn't have a smell on her or anything, but you know, just, she was a cute little lady. She probably was in her, if I had to guess, I would say maybe her 80s. And I mean, it was okay, and nobody, and I'm not being judgmental, nobody was judging her. She was a cute lady. No wrinkles in her skin. I mean, I probably got more wrinkles than she did. She's pretty. But I don't know, I guess just when people start getting older and you notice them not being able to take care of themselves appropriately, just reach out, especially when they have doctor's appointments and stuff. Go and make sure they're presentable, so that, you know, because my mom raised us that people treat you, or treat your people the way you treat them. You know what I'm saying? And it's, to me, it's just important to make sure that they have what they need and stuff like that. That's why every year for Christmas, I buy my mother new pajamas, and like I buy like new little short sets or little capri pants. I had just bought her some new capris at Christmas, and the reason for Christmas, yeah, because they were so cheap at Penny's. They were the A&A brand, very nice. And I got them for like $6.99, $5.99, or something like that. Yeah, that's how I shop. But I knew that when she got ready to go somewhere, it was a birthday or something, she had something to put on that was nice. You understand what I'm saying? Not very good quality, but I didn't pay a lot. That's but I know how to shop, you know. Yeah, and then y'all, I was sitting and watching the older couples. Maybe the man leading the woman, or maybe she leading him, and they're up in age, probably got great grandkids, but they're looking out for each other. That's love, man. I was just sitting there thinking about that, and then I was looking at one lady, man, they was sitting there by me, and I asked the lady, was she related to this girl I know, because she looked like she told me no. But she was fussing at her husband because he was fussing about waiting to see the doctor. She said, well, I want to go smoke, but I don't want to leave. He said, why? Because you don't think I'm going to do what they say? She said, no, you're not going to listen. But I just like to see how they fussing and taking care of each other, man. That's love. That's what real love is all about. It's about being able to tell your significant other, look, you need to do this way or that way, and they understand. You know what I'm saying? And he knew the reason why she wasn't going to smoke. And she didn't go smoke either. She waited on him to go back there and see. Well, I left them sitting out there when they called my son. I went back there to see what the doctor was going to say about him. But yeah, I was just sitting there looking at that. And then, y'all, they had they had this one little guy. Oh my God, that little thing, like he walked out of the magazine. He probably 20 years younger than me, but he was nice looking. But yeah, that little young man was good looking. I was like, oh my goodness, like he had gray eyes. Anyway, y'all, I'm just, it was a very interesting doctor's visit today. It was. My special drink, y'all. Unsweet tea, extra ice with mango flavoring. 0 calories. Yeah, I'm trying. I've conditioned myself. One day last week I had a Coke Zero. It didn't even taste the same. Yeah, I don't even have on I think all of my lip gloss been wiped off. But y'all catching me real and raw. I'm good. I'm good. I just don't want to create a facade for YouTube. I just want to be real. I want people to know that, you know, I am who I am. Yeah, we've been running around. We went in the mall, got my son a new pair of shoes, got me a new pair of shoes, and we went to where did we go? He went to the eye doctor. Then we went to go get some stuff. We got I'm cooking at church. We're doing our we cooking Saturday and Sunday this weekend. Yeah, we got a repast and we got our church anniversary, and so I'm getting some of the stuff. And you know, the sale end today. They got another sale start tomorrow, so I got the sale in the day stuff to the church.
You got a cob salad with grilled chicken?
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, what's going on? Where you been?
Right here.
Oh, making that money. All right, what you been up to? It's a good place to be when you're on the clock, baby. I said it's a good place to be on the clock. You working all night? What time you gonna get out? What time you gonna get out?
Well, she want me to help train on the evening shift, so I'll probably leave about like 10.
Yeah. She like making money, girl. All right, I wouldn't hear you. Okay, all right. Uh-oh. But yeah, y'all, but yeah, I had a nice time. You know, it's Fat Tuesday here, and a lot of people off. And it was just, you know, to see those older people taking care of each other. One lady, she had like a little stick. She must have was half blind or whatever. The guy was walking behind her. Another old man, he walking real slow. The wife taking care of him. You know, it's just, I was in the doctor's office, and I had all kind of emotions. The elderly people leaving assistance from their loved ones. One guy was in there, probably was his mom, and he was, looked like she may have been in the nursing home or something, like it was somebody there from the nursing home rolling her, and then when she went to the back, he brought her back there. Ran into a family friend. My friend that got killed in a car wreck, her niece. So beautiful. She's always have been a beautiful child. She's a grown woman now, but she's still beautiful. Just yeah, my heart, I had all kinds of emotions today. I really did. Where your dad at?
He at grandma's. He's supposed to come back to work Thursday.
Oh, Lord, they gonna let him work?
They gave him a paper to release him.
Oh, the doctor did?
They had 3 days back to him, but he's just not coming back Thursday.
He just gotta take care of himself, man. I told him, is he still smoking?
Cigarettes?
Please tell me not.
I can't tell you. I can't tell you. I mean, I'm gonna be real. I don't see him doing it as much. Like I see him slowing down.
So that's the thing. Like Rev say, baby steps. You just can't quick. Like I'm trying to lose weight. I love sweets, so I still eat them. I just don't eat as much.
Yeah. Well, he gonna get on food.
I'm gonna tell her to call you.
Please.
Okay.
Please.
Love you. Ooh, them fries. Yes, indeed, y'all. I tell you, I went through all kind of emotions today. I was happy to see those people loving on each other. I was sad seeing the old people getting around slow. And then I was giddy because I saw the old good-looking young boy. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. Y'all know what? I got this thing I do. I've been single so long, but I got this thing I do. I asked but this girl used to work with me. She thought I was so crazy, but she got a little guy friend, very nice looking young man. And I say, hey, where you found that good looking man? And she said, girl, we've been dating now for a couple of years. I say, is his daddy married? She's like, huh? I say, is his daddy married? And I remember one time I was working at Kmart and I asked this young guy there, and he's like, oh yeah, he married to my stepmom. It catches people off guard. I just be clowning, but nice looking, very nice looking young man. Respectful. He went in the military too. Now he in the military right now. Been over to Iraq, I think maybe 2 or 3 times. Yep. I'm gonna tell y'all the majority, and I can say this because from experience, you get you a man, old southern boy that like going out hunting in the woods and stuff like that. They make good husbands. Now I can't speak and say if they run around. I can't talk about that because I don't know. But a lot of them, they pastime is spent doing things like that. They like fishing and, oh shoot, I forgot I can't go. They like fishing and hunting and stuff like that. So they really don't, you know, have time to be running on women. But you catch a man, got a lot of free time. Another thing, you catch a man that got multiple baby mamas. Ain't mad to nobody. That's a red flag right there, sister. And don't think that it's always the woman's fault, because they gonna always make you think it's something wrong with the woman. But the constant gonna be the man. Think about that now. Think about it. Yeah. But listen too, ain't no two people do. All right, y'all, let me let y'all go, but I'm headed home. We've been gone ever since 9, a little bit after 9. It's almost 3. So my play dates are over. I got to get back to business tomorrow, and I got a lot of things I have to work on. So y'all have a blessed day. Enjoy your Fat Tuesday, or any of y'all giving up things for Lent, Catholics, non-Catholics, because non-Catholics do it too. They give up things for Lent. I know one lady gave up meat. Some of them give up social media and stuff like that. So all right, y'all, be blessed. Laissez les bons temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Bye, y'all.